Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep look at one of the most popular air fryers for busy homes, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart 6-in-1 DualZone 2-basket air fryer. If you're tired of cooking meals in batches or juggling different cooking times, this air fryer is designed to solve that problem. The Ninja DZ201 features two completely independent 4-quart baskets, allowing you to cook two different foods, two different ways, at the same time. Fries in one basket, chicken in the other, both perfectly finished together. The real highlight here is Smart Finish technology. This feature automatically syncs both baskets so food with different cook times finishes at the same moment. No more waiting for one dish to stay warm while the other finishes cooking. If you're cooking the same food in both baskets, match cook copies settings instantly, saving time and effort. This unit offers 6 versatile cooking functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Whether you're roasting vegetables, crisping frozen snacks, or making homemade beef jerky, this air fryer handles it all. With up to 75% less fat than traditional frying, it's a healthier option without sacrificing taste or texture. The 8-quart total capacity is ideal for families, meal prepping, or hosting guests. You can cook up to 4 pounds of fries or full meals for 6-8 people. Cleanup is easy thanks to nonstick, dishwasher-safe baskets and crisper plates. The sleek gray design fits well in modern kitchens, and the intuitive digital control panel makes operation simple even for beginners. If you want faster meals, better flexibility, and consistent results every time, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi DualZone air fryer is a smart investment. If this helped you, make sure to check the link below to buy it on Amazon, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews.